We have a worker assembling one item every 12 minutes, so 40 items are completed on his first day of work. His manager then checks his work by randomly selecting an hour of the day and reviewing all the items he completed that hour. Does this sampling plan result in a random sample? Simple random sample. Okay, well, random sample just means everything has an equal chance. Since he randomly picked the hour, everything has the same chance of being selected. So yes, each item has an equal chance of being selected, so this is a random sample. Random samples are really easy. They're the most common kind. Now, simple random means that every group of equal size has the same amount, same chance of being selected. So the problem here is that he's selecting an hour of the day. So every hour group has the same selection, but not every 10-minute section has the same. Anytime there is any specific group number, so like for instance, I'm going to pick a certain hour of the day, or I want a certain number of freshmen versus sophomore, it can't be simple random. So this is no, because all possible groups of n items do not have an equal chance of being selected. So if you can't break it into whatever groups you want, it's not a simple random. It's not a simple random. Let's see if we've got another one here. Okay, so determine the sample described below if it's a simple random sample. In the last election, we have 162,998 adults voted in a county. A researcher plans to conduct a survey of 500. After obtaining a list of those who votes, he numbers the lists 1 through whatever, and he uses a computer to randomly generate 500 numbers between 1 and 162,000. His sample consists of voters corresponding to the selected numbers. Okay, is this a simple random Sam? Yes, because we don't have specific groups. We have to have, 10 women or 10 Republicans. So this is a simple random sample because every sample size of 500 has an equal amount being checked. Because we didn't say that, oh, we have to have men or women. So pretty much anytime you're trying to limit it and you need to have any kind of segregated groups of any time, you're not simple random. Okay, we got another one here. So a computer company employs 100 software engineers and 100 hardware engineers. The personnel manager randomly selects 20 of the software engineers and 20 of the hardware engineers and questions them about career opportunities. Does this result in a random sample, a simple random sample? Okay, so he's randomly selecting them, and everyone has the same choices because obviously there's the same percentage of software and hardware. So yes, this is a random sample. It's not simple random though, because I can't have 10 software and 30 hardware. Every group of 40 isn't accounted for. I have to have a very specific breakdown of my group of 40. So this is yes and no. So you can see that it's hard, actually. It's very easy to get a random sample. It is very hard to get a simple random sample. And it's kind of funny because it's simple random, so you would think it would be easy, but it's really not because it does have to do with the grouping. So anytime they start talking about specific size anything, just pretty much guess that it's not going to be simple random.